Future with will. Unit 2, Lesson C. What will you do? Watch and listen. Use will, won't, plus base form of verb to talk about future definite events or plans. Add probably, most likely, or maybe to show the future events or plans are less certain.
What will you do next?
I'll take a vacation.
Put probably between will and the verb, or before won't.
I'll probably take a vacation. I probably won't take a vacation.
Won't is the same as will not.
I won't take a vacation.
What will she do next?
She'll study auto mechanics.
Put most likely between will and the verb, or before won't.
She'll most likely study auto mechanics. She most likely won't study auto mechanics. She won't study auto mechanics.
What will they do next?
They'll become citizens.
Put maybe before the subject for sentences with will and won't.
Maybe they'll become citizens. Maybe they won't become citizens. They won't become citizens.
Check your understanding. Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What will you do next?
Look at the picture. Listen to the question. Answer the question.
What will you do next?
I'll take a vacation.
What will you do next?
I'll probably take a vacation.
What will you do next?
I probably won't take a vacation.
What will you do next?
I won't take a vacation.
Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What will she do next?
Look at the picture. Listen to the question. Answer the question.
What will she do next?
She'll study auto mechanics.
What will she do next?
She'll most likely study auto mechanics.
What will she do next?
She most likely won't study auto mechanics.
What will she do next?
She won't study auto mechanics.
Look at the picture. Ask the question.
What will they do next?
Look at the picture. Listen to the question. Answer the question.
What will they do next?
They'll become citizens.
What will they do next?
Maybe they'll become citizens.
What will they do next?
Maybe they won't become citizens.
What will they do next?
They won't become citizens.
Let's review.
What will you do next?
I'll probably take conversation classes.
I won't go to the party tomorrow.
What will he do next?
He'll probably take conversation classes.
He won't go to the party tomorrow.
What will she do next?
She'll probably take conversation classes.
She won't go to the party tomorrow.
What will they do next?
They'll probably take conversation classes.
They won't go to the party tomorrow.